him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about paying it forward and something that I'm going to do for you guys. Okay, so recently I bid on an auction on eBay for 3 King Cudas, and I won the auction. And the seller, he's a great guy. I'm not going to put his eBay account anywhere. He is subscribed to the channel now, so I don't know if he's going to see this or not. But I wanted to talk to you guys about what happened and what he did for me and what I'm going to do. Okay, because he did something for me and I want to pay it forward. Alright, so let's just bring out these 3 King Cudas. So here's the first one. Missing the engine. The back glass is clacked. It's cracked. I think this is going to be a great restoration. I don't know if I can polish the plating up on these, but if I can, I might give that a shot on 1 or 2 of these. And then the next one is this one, which is still super shiny, but it's got some plating popping off on the sides there. And one of the wheels is missing. Okay. And then the third one is this one. Again, has a cracked glass. The body is actually in pretty decent condition considering its age. You can see where some of the plating is popping a little bit, but it hasn't broken through. Still has the original paint on the tail there and on the grill. These are reproduction wheels that are put on here. I can tell by looking at them. Because if you look at this one and this one, it had large on the rear and medium on the front, and this car has the small bearing wheels on the front. So what happened was I won this auction. Somebody else won an auction for a hot heat, and I was tired the day it came in the mail or something. I opened it up. I'm like, oh, a hot heap. I don't remember buying a hot heap. I must have though. And he sent me an email, and he had accidentally shipped my 3 cars to the person who bought the hot heap, and he had sent the hot heap to me. So he says, well, I'm gonna, if you can send it back to me, I'll refund your money, and as soon as I get them, I'll send them to you. So that's what he did. But he not only did that, which I really appreciated. I mean, he honestly, he could have charged me for the cars. I paid for them. But he went above and beyond. Not only did he give me the refund, the money for these cars, and still sent them to me, which he didn't have to do, but he put in a couple more cars. All right. So let's talk about these. All right. So the first one is this hot heap. It's a Hong Kong hot heap, which I actually didn't have one yet. I had to go looking through my collection, and I do have 2 US hot heaps, and I had never bought any of the Hong Kong ones, but it's missing the interior and the glass. Now I can get glass from Second Chance Redlines, but nobody makes a reproduction interior for the Hong Kong cars. They make reproduction for the US cars, but not the Hong Kong cars. So I got this mold putty, and I did go ahead and I bought a couple of the hot heaps, the Hong Kong hot heaps off of eBay. Got those coming, and I want to try to make a new interior for this from one of those. All right. When I restore this car, I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. All right. And not only that, he sent me this U.S. custom Corvette with the hood intact. It catches a little bit on the front. I may look at seeing if there's some way to adjust that somewhat so it closes easier so it's not catching and shipping the paint. But I'm going to restore this car as well. And I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. And I told him, I said, you know, you went above and beyond. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to pay it forward. And when these two cars are restored, I'm going to give them away. So that's what it is. You know, there's good people in the world, and thank you for showing me, restoring my faith in humanity more and more and more every day. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Click that like button and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.